Karnataka legislators vote for India's next president at Vidhan Sabha in Bengaluru. Since some of the votes were invalid in the last polls, utmost care has been taken this time to ensure that not a single vote is wasted by the BJP. The Janata Dal Secular, which has 30 MLAs, has extended support to Murmu, whereas the Congress, under the leadership of Siddaramaiah, CLP leader, backed opposition candidate Yashwant Sinha, former BJP leader and union minister. As Murmu hails from the ST community, JDS Supremo Gowda readily extended support, and the JDS Legislative Party, which met under the leadership of former Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy, declared its support for the tribal leader. Poll observer Amit Kumar Ghosh and Karnataka CEO Manoj Kumar Meena visited the polling booth set up at room number 106 in Vidhan Sabha and took stock of the arrangements made. As many as 224 MLAs will exercise their franchise. Polling began at 10 a.m. and will end at 5 p.m. today.